Ready? There you go.
Good morning, everybody. Well, kind of. I was gonna go out and do stuff today, but I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining. It's all crappy out there. So, any plans that I did have, done. So, it's gonna be a day inside, watching TV, catching up on YouTube videos. Right now, we're, exporting yesterday's video, and playing ball with Duke. I'm gonna show you guys that Duke can catch. I told you you could catch a ball. Yeah, we're gonna go to Wendy's, because it finally stopped raining enough to go out and get some food, and I'm hungry. But, yeah, that's what's going on now. Rambling. I'm gonna stop filming so I can drive safely, especially since I'm not buckled up. I'll buckle up, I will. I'll just dry it off or something, but I can't do it with one hand, so, bye. Alright, everybody. So, well, the good news is the sun finally came out. The bad news is it came out, like, really late afternoon time. So, while it's bright and sunny, time to go do things is, the window for that is it's gone. But it's okay, I didn't really have money to go do much anyways today, so it's okay. Soon, though, soon, we'll go do things. Oh, speed bump. And now, I am driving with a very stinky passenger. Yes, you stink, you hear me? You smell like trash. And no, don't worry, I don't bad talk my friends. It's literally trash. We're taking the trash out. That's what's going on here. If there's any message I'm trying to get across to you guys right now, it's that the trash is being taken out. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. See you guys in a minute. Guys, so check this shit out. This gate is permanently closed, but only after 5 p.m. and on Sundays. That is like, that's not what permanently means. People are dumb. That's it for today. I'm going to make my bed and go to sleep. Good night, everybody.